So here we are now at Carnwath. Don't know if that's how you pronounce it. Can't remember. And this is the CS8 that we have here. This is actually, if you look at it around here, this is in very good clean condition. It's well wired up. That looks like a shiny new connection box there, although it's a bit dented. It's very clean. Very clean indeed actually. It's even the red shutters, you can see they look very good condition. Let's have a little look around the front of it. Yeah, this is in very good condition. I'm gonna come back up maybe even next month or the month after. It'll be fairly soon, one of the next tests in the next few months. It's once a month this happens, so try and get up more often and bring my new camera equipment and my tripod and stuff that I got for my birthday. Set it up so that I can do like time lapses here sitting at one of the sirens. Well, this one and the one at Ravenstruther would be the best because you can get closest to them. So set up the tripod, get some still videos. That would be absolutely fantastic. So that's this one. Carnwath siren. Carnwath. Now we're at the one in the village of Forth. It's another CS8. That looks in great condition. Looks in fantastic condition actually. Excuse the noise, it's just a little guard doggies there. It's literally right on a main road here, like, so gotta be careful. Yeah, it's very clean. This box again, very shiny. Doesn't have any dents in it, probably because it's not near a school. But this one's in great condition. I'm going to be very silly and reckless and go out in the middle of the road for a second.